Iran bans foreign companies from testing COVID-19 vaccines on Iranians. China tightens virus restrictions on new cluster ahead of Lunar New Year. Russia reports 23,309 new coronavirus cases and 470 deaths. FBI arrests Arkansas man from photo inside Pelosi's office. North Korea threatens to build more nukes, cites U.S. hostility. Biden fine with Trump skipping swearing-in ceremony. WHO urges rich countries to stop making bilateral deals with manufacturers for COVID-19 vaccine. US President Donald Trump has been permanently suspended from Twitter due to the risk of further incitement of violence.